Hello everybody, welcome back to Oh Snap. Today is another Animal Crossing tips and tricks video. This will be about trees, rocks, and a lot of other stuff. So, let's get started. First tip is going to be about trees and everything you can find in it. You can find up to 10 bells, which equal 100 bells in total, such as this one. You can also find furniture, which is two furniture items per day. Also, 5 wasp nests. So in this tree, I found a bell. Great. All right, next one. Nothing. And that will happen depending on how many trees you have. One thing to note, you cannot find any of these special items in a fruit tree or any of these palm trees. All right, next up, we're doing rocks. So, if you go over here, I have a rock. So, one tip you can do, once you have your shovel out, hold it, put a hole here and here. Put yourself in between, then hit the rock. I already hit this rock today, so it won't generate anything. But a normal rock that you have not hit at all during the day will, once you do that, could generate up to 9 items maximum and 2 minimum, depending on how you place yourself when you're hitting the rock. All right, next tip. So, the next tip is all you can find on beaches. So, first, let me get to a beach. Here is the beach. So, each day you can find 2 message bottles, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. So, if you look along the beach, I'll look along, you'll find all of these seashells and other types of water, like sandy stuff. Here is the message bottle. Once you pick it up and open it, it'll pop up in your inventory like this. I open it, and you'll get this message. And it's from someone from another island that you don't know. And it's a DIY recipe. Ooh, a bamboo candle holder. And this is just one of the ways that you can get all of the DIY recipes in the game. Yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you guys later. I hope you have a wonderful day, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys all later. See ya!